Good morrow, it's Wednesday, and I'm back with another video. And today we have broccoli cheddar soup, a baguette, and a chicken Caesar salad, mainly because this combination sounded delicious. Merry Christmas Eve, happy holidays. My friend Chris texted me. I'm just gonna put this like right here. My friend Chris texted me this morning. He said, "Merry Xmas." He's a good one. Because that is absolutely the vibe. Mm. This reminds me of when Panera was good. And when I would only get the broccoli cheddar soup and the baguette. All right. Let me know what y'all did today. What all y'all are doing for the holidays, what your traditions are. My traditions are honestly ever changing. I never really have like a specific thing I do for Christmas anymore, just because every Christmas tends to be different, and has been that way for a while. I'm fine with it, honestly. Like this year especially, I don't want any traditions. Like opening presents tomorrow is going to suck. I'm not looking forward to it. Like I'm excited to give my mom her gift, and like I'm excited for a couple of my usual gifts, like my coffee sampler. Which, by the way, I've been I'm more of a tea kick lately. I'm not mad about it. I've been finding the last couple of months, coffee feels like extra heavy. And the last couple of days, I've had black tea in the morning. It's been nice. I want to try this. I'm excited to, I'm just curious. Not bad. It's just like cheesy broccoli chicken. You know I'm going to. Oh my God, I had a thought, now I just lost it. Ah! What was it? I swear. It has been the weirdest day. It hasn't been bad. It's been really nice, actually. I was hoping to get back to my workouts today. But I'm just worried I'm going to end up in a cast. So the thought's there. I'm hoping I'm going to make myself do some yoga tomorrow morning, like first thing. Nothing too crazy because I also have to be careful because my knee's still like bummed out from when I took my fall last Friday. So because like it's not going to do me any good if like I have like a 6 month recovery because I was trying to rush myself into my 2025 glow up. 6 months is a long fucking time. Especially now. I can do so much with 6 months. Holy shit. I feel guilty for being excited. But I really am excited for, like, I'm terrified of this next year. Don't get me wrong. I am very frightened about the next year. I think next time I get the soup, though, I'm going to add more broccoli. There's really not a lot of broccoli in here. One of my only complaints about this soup, there's not a ton of broccoli. But I shall remedy that in the future. Hulk smash. But I am. I mean, it's complicated. A big thing that kept me here, besides like my raging alcoholism and, you know, my penchant for making bad decisions, was Sandy. Because I didn't want to shove her in an apartment. I really didn't. But obviously, like, it's hard to find a house. When you're just fucking up constantly. And it takes you forever to start trying to get it together. So the happiest day for her was to be here. Or else I would have just gone roommated with someone or went to a homeless shelter. But she's always been kind of a high maintenance dog. So it wasn't always that easy. Now I can basically do whatever I want. When the time comes, oops, I can just happily fuck off. And it's gonna be a second. But that just gives me time to really do more soul searching and do more stuff and have a few experiences here without her. Before I possibly never see this place again. Which is going to be very bittersweet. It's going to be a weird change. But I think that's just going to be the theme of my life for the next few years. Which is fine. It's been overdue for a while. And I'm excited, even though I'm sad. I want one more little piece of chicken. I am, though. Sorry, I'm gross. I am so excited to get back out on the trails this year. If I can get my shit together and get my ankle healed, then I think I can actually get back into shape by the time it comes. So there's no excuse for me not to like go out at least 2 to 3 times a week. Or depending when the time comes, I want to get my job, ride my bike to my job. That's like the actual goal. Okay, this is the last bite because I am full. This will probably be breakfast tomorrow. Everything that's left. Oh yeah. Yum. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy Wednesday. I didn't mention it, but we are all set to go see Nosferatu tomorrow night. So I will be back Thursday with an update about that and tell you how our holiday went and all that good stuff. I think I'm doing breakfast. And I'll have like a little festive brownie because my mom made some gluten-free brownies tonight. Yum, with peanut butter M&Ms. So good. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.